Glitter.
Oh, Snoop. Yeah. You like it?
You like it?
You like it? Yeah. Awesome, huh? Told you was gonna like it. Huh?
What?
Told you was gonna like it.
Go, go!
Woo! Whoa!
My neck is getting stiff.
Yeah, my neck is. Yeah, my neck is hurting. Yeah, I'm gonna need a neck rub after this one. Whoa! Yeah! Doink.
Why does it keep doing this?
Why? This is fireworks, baby. Whoa!
That was a cool one.
Yeah, that's a. Woo! Yeah, that shit goes way up in the sky. Yeah! Awesome. Nice, huh?
It's
a nice. Yeah, it's gonna get smoky. It's gonna get smoky now. Lord Jesus is a fire.
Jesus is a fire. Ain't nobody got time for that.
He eat ribs with this dude.
Didn't have no shoes or nothing, Jesus.
Oh!
Dang.
That's nice.
Oh,
Nice.
they're really strong.
Oh shit! I'm about to choke off the fumes. Look at the sofa. Oh. Woo!
Pretty.
Can we get a fan? Whoa! Did that scare you? Whoa! Let boo! Woohoo!
Isn't it pretty?
Look at her here. Look at down here. Isn't it cute?
They're pretty, huh?
That is beautiful.
Mine does too. I just got the same.
And oh, look at that heart! It was a heart. Oh, oh, love it, you. Wow.
Oh, big one. Big one.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
Oh. Ooh.
Hey, these are beautiful.
Told you. I don't know about that sulfur though. We're slowly being poisoned over here, but you know what? These are cute.
You remember when my nephew was little, he was afraid of you because of your deep voice?
Oh, my deep voice, yeah. Oh! Holy smoke! And that literally means smoke. This is pretty smoky over here. Whose idea was to sit under these damn things?
It's so worth it.
Oh my
Bring
God.
your inhaler next time.
Just bring my inhaler next. Oh my God. Oh! Yeah, I remember that, miss. He used to be scared to death. How old is he?
He just turned 19.
Really? Wow.
Like 1 or 2.
Yeah, because all kids like me, but he was always afraid.
I remember that.
All right, can we slow down with the fireworks now? Wow! Wowzers! You like it?
I want to catch it.
You want to catch it? Wow! Lot of mercy. Uh-oh.
Do you know when he did this really That means I love you.
Can we get a good gush of wind or something? Like, come on. Yeah. Ooh.
I got a lake. Wow.
Like that one? You got binoculars on? That is cute.
Wow. That's wow. That's green. Green.
I want to hear the ones that go. That was a dinky one.
What the? Those are
Like fallen stars.
Yeah.
so big.
I thought it was going to come to the ground, man.
Oh my neck.
Yeah. I think we all going to need a nice little neck rub after this one. Oh, that was cute. Whoa, whoa. Oh, hello. Hello. Hot damn. Woo.
Oh, that's right.
That was
over
nice.
our heads.
Oh, yeah, it was.
I don't like that. Good, let me sit
Nice. Huh?
My eyes. Don't do it, my eyes again. Ow. Ow. My eyes.
Whoa. Yeah.
Can I start?
Up close and personal.
It's fine.
Wow. Wow.
I don't like how you sound right now. I wasn't.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
It's blue.
Wow. Wow, that was a nice one. It's way up there.
Ow.
Wow. Stop farting on me. That's just disgusting, bro.
Doing it to Kim too.
Ew. Just sit on people just to pass gas? I mean, like, seriously? Oh, you're just trying to mask it with the sulfur smell.
Daddy, I got excited. I couldn't help it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Nice. Look like some dreadlocks.
Yeah, but they
Ain't these nice, man?
They're beautiful.
We can do the heart. Do the heart. We can do the heart again.
Yeah, do the heart one again.
That is
I
not.
like the heart one too.
That is not a heart. That is not a heart.
No, that's not a heart.
That was
Gorgeous.
Do the heart. Do the heart. Do the big